We have bacon, sausage breakfast pizza. Oh no, which one would you pick? I want to know, Foodies. I want this big bacon one for sure. And should I get a donut or should we get two of these? I think we should do a donut. Okay, we're gonna do a donut. I don't know. Maybe we should do two. Is there a deal with the breakfast pizza? Is there a deal with the breakfast pizza? I thought there was something on Wednesdays. Is there one? Is there a deal with breakfast pizza and the donut? No. How much is one slice? Maybe we not. Yeah, I'll do two. Hi, foodies. Welcome back to the show. This is gonna be brunch. This is gonna be brunch, breakfast and lunch. I'm ready to. Hi, good morning.
It's underneath, buddy.
Uh, bacon.
Anything else for you guys?
No thanks.
Rewards today?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm so excited.
Morning.
Morning.
Unrecognized phone number. Honey, you want to try one more time? What are you doing?
I can pick up something out here.
Oh, 821. Pretty please. Would you guys like the receipt today?
No, thank you.
Okay. Have a wonderful day, guys.
You too.
Thanks. What'd you forget?
Got a $6 and B roll. Football.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Ah! Thanks. Ooh, right in. Look at that pizza. What's another type of breakfast pizza? We have bacon, sausage, cheese. That's about it, right?
Egg?
They all have egg.
Yeah, they do. Bacon egg pizza? I'm pretty sure it's what your stuff is.
No, like I was saying, like, what's another type? You know, I was giving them a poll, like bacon. Would you like bacon, sausage, or cheese?
That'll probably be it.
You think this will really stick up there?
No. Why not just
Right down. Oh, I didn't know that that could happen. You're quite knowledgeable on all of these things, Oaken. What gas station was this? This is Casey's. Welcome back to the show, man. And hey, what's up, pops? This is Casey's gas station. Should we eat this point of view or would you guys like to watch me eat this? Put a one in the chat if we should eat this point of view style. Put a two in the chat if you'd like to watch me eat this delicious bacon slice of pepper or bacon slice of pepperoni, bacon slice of breakfast pizza. Casey's has the best pizza. I love their breakfast pizza. I'm not only a fan, I'm an air conditioner. Sarah says I'm a pizza expert. Yes, Casey's has the best fast food pizza. Period. By the way, Pups and Foodies, I wanted to let you know I'm gonna be stopping at Verizon to do a little phone number change. So that way I can get back into my Discord on this new phone. And we will definitely be doing our Discord shows. We definitely will be doing our Discord shows. Tell me, how does Discord work? Please like and subscribe to the channel and show love and support. Oh, thank you. My name is ChocolateSugi. I'm also going to be talking business with my buddy. We're not only moving to Mississippi, we're moving to Mississippi. Everybody loves Casey's in the chat. Wow. I didn't know their pizza was this good until my buddy was letting me know. He was like, he loves Casey's pizza. Didn't you used to always get a slice or two? No, but you used to stand by them. You used to say you like their slices. And they actually have slices. Like, why is that a thing of the old? I love a slice of pizza. Mm. I should have asked the chat breakfast pizza or regular pizza. Dip it in gravy. That sounds delicious. I think Casey's sausage pizza has a biscuits and gravy base instead of a cheese. I think that's how they do their sausage. Manon is in the comments, so to be on brand, shout out to Manon. To be on brand, I would say that their breakfast pizza is gnarly. Thank you, Sarah, for the sunshine gift. You're very sweet and sour chicken. Are you driving or not? No, my buddy is. I mean, I was driving with no hands. I don't have a Tesla. Thank you for 100 gifts. Wow. You're on keto? What exactly is keto? We're moving down south. Ooh, I need to get my nasty thumb out of this shot. We're moving down south, so we're trying to enjoy some up north leaning in while we're up here, you know? We is been through. Drink some water in between. I think Casey's, my buddy was telling me Casey's is top 500 SRT.
SMP.
SMP.
They're in the top 500, or they're in the 500 SMP, I think.
I'm trying to impress my live audience. My pizza angles. Where did I get this from? Yo Mama. No, I'm just playing. I got it from Casey's, a gas station up here in North America. Hmm. You love the Gap? Thank you. My name is Sugi. We do eating shows, food vlogs, and reviews. We're reviewing Casey's, za, as well as I sometimes teach you guys how to eat. We are making a cookbook so I can teach you guys how to cook as well. And we're learning so much together as a Black community. I mean, as a foodie community. Am I in North Carolina or South? Neither.
I'm moving down to Mississippi, which is spelled MISSISSIPI. And that's how you spell it. Because, yes, my dad had a Gap too. They're so cute. Madonna has a Gap as well. I love all the Gap love. Before I started the YouTube channel and before we started the show, I was most definitely going to fill in my Gap. And then all the hate from all the hangry viewers, they actually made me love myself in a way that I never imagined I could. Like, genuinely. Love Our Toy Pups says, I'm still here listening. I swear I was just thinking about you. Hand to Jesus. Our viral YouTuber friend, with 64,000 subscribers in the chat. I moderated him, and then he moderated me. Yeah, can you believe it? He has 64,000 subscribers, and I moderated him. He moderated me on his channel, and then he goes live a lot. I go on his channel, and I'm seeing hundreds and hundreds of people in there at a time, at all times, every time. I'm like, wow. I'll be like, share, and subscribe.